In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Comerica Bank. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Comerica website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any login details, especially when accessing online banking. Once the home page loads, take a moment to look over the page layout so you can easily find the sign-in area. When you're on the home page, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the login section is typically located. If you're using a desktop or laptop, it should be easy to spot near the upper area of the page. If you're on a mobile device, the layout may look a little different, but the same option should still be available. Next, click on the Login button. This will open the login area where you can enter your account credentials. Make sure you click the correct login option for your banking account so you're taken to the proper sign-in form. Once the login form appears, enter your user ID in the designated field. Be careful to type it exactly as it was created, since even a small typo can prevent access to your account. If your device tries to autofill the field, take a quick second to confirm that the information shown is correct. After that, enter your password in the password field. As you type, your password will usually be hidden for security reasons. Make sure your caps lock key is off if your password uses lowercase letters, and double check your keyboard if something doesn't seem right. This can help avoid unnecessary login errors. When both your user ID and password have been entered, click the Login button to continue. At this point, Comerica will process your sign-in request and take you into your account if the details are correct. Depending on your account settings, you may also be asked to complete an extra verification step for added security. It's also worth knowing that Comerica may provide access to other Comerica services from the same general login area. So if you're trying to sign into a different type of Comerica account or service, you can usually find those options nearby. Just make sure you choose the one that matches the service you want to access. And that's how to log into Comerica Bank. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more simple step-by-step banking tutorials.